Hello everyone, this is Dmitry from Galileosky, and in this video I will show you a new tool that is available in Configurator software. The thing is that starting with the firmware 5.0 for all Galileosky 10 devices, the new CAN base is available. The new tool is supported by the Configurator application starting with the version 5.5.3. So let's see how to use this new CAN database. Start the Configurator, open Settings and switch to the CAN scanner page. Obviously, the first thing to do is to get the raw CAN data in the scanner to make sure that the device is properly connected to the CAN bus. I am configuring the CAN 0 interface to the custom filter mode and setting the baud rate to 500,000. Applying settings. As you can see, when I press the Start Receiving button, the raw data is available, so we have the proper connection to the CAN bus. As before, in Parameter Settings group, we have the list of available cars that the tracker can parse automatically. Yet now this list is much larger. Up to 2000 cars were added to the list. To find the necessary car, we need to choose the vehicle manufacturer, the model, and the manufacturing year. And here goes the second addition to the CAN scanner. Now we have a new page that is called CAN database. I have already chosen my car, so when I press the Show Parameters button, in the main screen the list of available parameters for my car appears. In case the device is connected to the actual CAN bus, the configurator automatically chooses the corresponding CAN interface and the parameter is locked. In case the CAN data is not available, you can set the necessary CAN interface manually. The formula block is also available on this page. For those parameters that the mass is already known, the block is locked and the mass is already applied. When the mass is unknown, you can apply it manually. As usual, you need to assign CAN tags to those parameters that you want to receive in software. Please note that values for known parameters are not available until you activate the vehicle on your device. I am activating the vehicle and confirming the action. Now it is available in the activated vehicles list and marked with the green icon. It means that the applied CAN filter is up to date. Now when the vehicle is activated, we can see the actual readings from the CAN scanner with applied filters. In some rare cases, it could be necessary to change the bus reading direction with the button that we are already familiar with. Once you add the chosen vehicle to the list of activated vehicles, the corresponding filter is uploaded to the device memory and it is shown in the activated vehicles list. The device allows you to activate up to 5 vehicles. After that, if you need to activate a new one on this device, you must wait for 7 days since the last vehicle was activated before you could delete one of the activated vehicles and add a new one. The device counts only the time while the external power supply was connected. In other words, if you activate 5 vehicles and drop the device on the table without the power supply, the timer will not count. Once the timeout ended, you can delete one of activated vehicles and activate a new one. Yet in this case, the list would be full again, so the timeout counter starts from the beginning. So once you have assigned tags to parameters that you want to get in software, don't forget to add the assigned tags to the main data packet on the protocol page. We're planning constantly updating the CAN base. It means that new vehicles and more parameters to already available vehicles should be added in the future. If you want to always have access to the latest version of the base, we recommend using the latest firmware version for the tracker and the latest configurator application. In case you are using out-of-date firmware or the configurator, you can see one of the following icons near the activated vehicle. The red arrow means that in the configurator base the new data is available for this vehicle, but the tracker's firmware don't support this filter. You need to update the tracker. The gray arrow is displayed when you're using out-of-the-date configurator, which can display the applied to the tracker filter. You need to update the configurator. And the yellow arrow means that the device's base is out of the date and not all parameters available in the configurator can be applied to the device. It is better to update the tracker. So, as I said, it is better to have the latest available firmware and the configurator to have access to the fresh CAN database. So, I hope the new CAN base will be useful for you and make your work with the CAN data much easier. Please feel free to join our YouTube channel to always know about our new tools and have access to our tutorials. This is all for today. Dmitry was with you. See you in the next video. Applied to the device. It is better to update the tracker. So, as I said, it is better to have the latest available firmware and the configurator to have access to the fresh CAN database. So, I hope the new CAN base will be useful for you and make your work with the CAN data much easier. Please feel free to join our YouTube channel to always know about our new tools and have access to our tutorials. This is all for today. Dmitry was with you. See you in the next video.